Today I'm making ginger and turmeric shots with a little bit of black pepper. So why might you want to make these? Well, ginger contains an anti-inflammatory compound called gingerol, which actually reduces a pro-inflammatory signalling pathway in our body called NF-kappa B. You don't need to know all that, but it's anti-inflammatory. Turmeric, on the other hand, contains lots of those curcuminoids, which are both anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. So they also have been shown to help against inflammation. I'm using a centrifugal juicer. It does get stained yellow. Turmeric is quite an aggressive colour. So if you've got a really precious juicer, be aware that it may stain it. I chop mine into little pieces, just throw them in, and it's going to make this gorgeous juice. I'm making more than I need. I'm going to store it in a jam jar. So off we go. Next we're going to add the pepper because that increases the absorption of the curcuminoids by 2000%. And next we're going to make the gut shot. The way I do it is put some kefir into a glass, add a small amount of turmeric. While it doesn't look much, there's a lot of curcumin in here, and while it's good for you, too much of it is not good for us either, so we need just the right amount. So I'm just going to pop a little bit in here, and that is my gut shot.